A few weeks ago, the best golf players in the world, Tiger Woods included, played a golf tournament in the United States of America. In that weekend, all the players brought a yellow ribbon in their hats. And why? Because Jared Lai, a golf player, was fighting against a tough cancer. The players played and brought the yellow ribbon to be close to Jared and his family. They show us, these amazing players, they show us humanity for the rest of the world. Quite similar situation happened in Catalonia in the last month. Like a lot of thousands of people bring a yellow ribbon to show this humanity for women and men are in jail in almost 1 year. Normal citizens that just defend ideas and they are in jail for almost 1 year. So for all today, September 11, all the foreign and friends of Catalonia, that today you are here in Catalunya, in Barcelona, thank you so much for your support. Us agraïm de tot cor que pugueu transmetre aquest missatge a Europa i al resta del món del que passa en Catalunya en aquest moment, que normal persones per defensar simplement les seves idees estan a la presó. Vi ringraziamo tanti a tutti. Vielen Dank für eure Unterstützung. Tant de bo tota la gent pugui tornar a casa. Llibertat a tota la gent que està a la presó. Moltes gràcies i fins aviat.